Hello dear learner, welcome back to the Zoom Chemistry Hub. Today in this video we have a brief introduction of solutions and its types. So first, what is a solution? So solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more than two components that is called solution. Solutions are not limited to the liquid state only. So it is found in three physical states of matter, that is gaseous solution, that is the example of air, and oxygen in nitrogen. Similarly, liquid solution, that is the example of alcohol in water, and solid solution, that is alloy. Example of solid solution is brass, and it is the composition of copper and zinc metal. Now we will discuss the component and types of solution. So first, what is aqueous solution? So in aqueous solution, a solution which is formed by dissolving a substance in water is called an aqueous solution. That is the example of salt in water, when we dissolve a table salt in water, this is called aqueous solution. A solution consists of two components, that is solute and solvent. So in other words, we can say that a solution is made up of two things, solute and solvent. The component which is present in smaller amount is called solute. And the component of a solution which are in large amount or larger amount, that is called solvent. For example, if we have a beaker, and in this beaker we have 500 milliliter of water and 2 teaspoons of sugar. So in this solution, sugar is a solute while water is a solvent. On the basis of the amount of solute and solvent, we can differentiate the solution into dilute solution and concentrated solution. So we can understand these two by a simple example. For example, if we have a two solution, the first solution have 2 teaspoon of sugar and the second solution have 5 teaspoon of sugar. So we have two solution. First solution contain 2 teaspoon of sugar and the second solution contain 5 teaspoon of sugar. So the solution which have less amount of sugar, this is called dilute solution, and the solution which have large quantity or large amount of solute, this is called concentrated solution. So 5 teaspoon sugar are called concentrated solution and 2 teaspoon solute of a solution is called dilute solution. That's for all today the learner. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with your friends and fellows. Thanks for watching.